Hello students, today we are going to study the fourth chapter of economics, that is economy of Maharashtra. Students, we are staying in the country of India. Everybody knows that. In India, you are having 29 states. We have 29 states in our country and 7 union territories. Out of these 29 states, today we are going to focus on the state of Maharashtra. As we are staying in the state of Maharashtra, it is included in our syllabus. Economy of Maharashtra means what? What are the traditions of Maharashtra? What is their gross state domestic product? And many things we are going to discuss in today's lecture. Right, students? So, Maharashtra, popularly known as the state where we have many traditions, we have many festivals to be celebrated, we have food varieties, a state, a renowned state of India. Okay, students. So Maharashtra state came into existence on 1st May 1960. 1st May we celebrate as a Maharashtra Day. We also celebrate it as a Labor Day. 1960, where Maharashtra and Gujarat were being separated, and Maharashtra came into existence in the year 1960. So Maharashtra started their journey from the year 1960. Presently, in this scenario, in this period of time, we are talking about the latest from 2011 to 2020, because whatever census are collected, whatever data is collected, it is collected for a span of normally a decade, that is a period of 10 years. Okay, students. So today we are going to study some important features, some important characteristics of Maharashtra, which will make you clear that how Maharashtra is operating in India and what is the position of our state. Okay, students. So few features I have chalked out on the board. So we are going to study those features. The first feature is most urbanized state. Every state is categorized into rural part and urban part. Rural means village area and urban means the city areas. Okay, so in Maharashtra, nearly 45.20% of the population is urbanized. Urbanized matlab they are staying in the city area. The remaining part of the population, say 55% of the population, is in the rural area, because agriculture is the main occupation in the rural area. We will study in the next video that we are categorized into two sectors: agriculture sector, industrial sector, and tertiary sector. So our first point is about urbanization. So 45% of our population, Maharashtra population, is urbanized. Okay. If we talk about literacy, literacy means where a person is able to read and write. That is known as a literacy. Literacy is different, educated is different. Okay, so literacy, where a person is able to read and write. Literacy rate in Maharashtra is 82%. I am not taking the fractions into consideration. I am just telling you the round figures. It is 82.3%. The literacy rate of Maharashtra as per the census of 2011. I have mentioned the year also in which year this data was collected. Matlab you can understand, students, nearly 80% of our population is literate, and a literacy rate is high, that development of that particular state is also faster. Okay, second largest populated state in the country, in the full country, in 29 states, we are the second populated state. Which is the first one? You check out. Which is the first one? You have to check out. The second largest populated state, students, in the year 2011, the census was 11 crores. But in the year 2020, in this particular year, Maharashtra is having the population of 12.3 crores. This population, students, is more than the population of few countries in the world. Few countries are there in the world whose population is less than the population of Maharashtra. So we are talking about India, In full India, second largest populated state is Maharashtra. Right, students? The third one is sex ratio. Sex ratio means a male female ratio. From the 1,000 males, we are having 929 females. Sir, why 1,000 we are calculating? Because the ratio is always calculated from 1,000. Ratio we never calculated from 100. We always calculate from 1,000. So sex ratio, matlab male female ratio is a for 1,000 males there are 929 females. Okay, students, proceed. Third largest state geographical wise. In the geographical wise means in the terms of land. In the terms of land, Maharashtra is the third largest population in India. You have to search for the first and the second one. Okay, guys. 3.08 lakhs square kilometer is the area of Maharashtra. You must have seen, students, Maharashtra map of Maharashtra and all are available there. You have seen that Maharashtra is classified or distributed in 6 divisions. 6 divisions. The 6 divisions of Maharashtra are Mumbai, Pune, Nasik, Aurangabad, Amravati and Nagpur. 6 divisions are there, students. Say, sir, what is this division? How they work? They are being categorized. Whatever revenue is being generated through GST and all in Maharashtra is being accumulated in these divisions. And accordingly, they are being distributed for the development of the particular state. Right, students? Okay, so there are 6 divisions and Maharashtra is having 36 districts. There are 36 districts in Maharashtra in which we are staying in the Thane district. Right, students? The capital of Maharashtra, everybody must be knowing. Yes, Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra and Mumbai is the financial capital of India. Right, students? So third largest state is geographical wise is Maharashtra. Highest gross state domestic product. Highest gross domestic product means what is the earning of a state. What is the earning of a state is known as a gross state domestic product. As you say, my father is earning 5 lakhs rupees a year. Similarly, we don't tell a state is earning 5 lakh rupees. We say that the income of a country or income of a state is a 16% GDP or something of that sort. So highest gross state domestic product in the country is being generated from the state of Maharashtra. Maharashtra is famous for tourism and investment. We have lots of tourism in Maharashtra and many big multinational companies are attracted in Maharashtra to invest their capital. And if you are investing the capital, it is generating employment. If employment is generated, the income is generated and the gross state domestic product automatically becomes higher. Tourism also, we are having lots of places of tourism. We are having the places of entertainment. We are having the places of pilgrimage in Maharashtra. Maharashtra is having abundant natural resources. Many natural resources are there in Maharashtra. Maharashtra is famous for their skill development. We promote the skill development in Maharashtra. Alright, students. So this was something about features of Maharashtra, the state which was in picture from the year 1960. Are you getting these features, students? Okay, so just introduction of Maharashtra with the features. Most urbanized state, literacy rate is high, second largest populated state. We are not making any comparison with the world. We are making the comparison with the India itself in our own country. Sex ratio we have discussed. 6 division, revenue divisions it can be called, where revenue is being collected and then it is being distributed. Third largest state geographically, highest gross state domestic product is being generated by Maharashtra. 36 districts are there and famous for tourism, investment, lots of natural resources, skill development are there in Maharashtra. Alright, students. Now Maharashtra is famous for their food culture also. Vada pav, the staple food of Maharashtra. Jhunka bhakar, Okay, students, low budget food with the better quality is available in the state of Maharashtra. Okay, now we'll talk something economical. Maharashtra is categorized into three sectors: agriculture sector, industrial sector, and tertiary sector. Agriculture sector means where it is related with the farming and allied activities. Secondary sector means industrial sector means where all the raw materials are being converted into the finished products. And tertiary sector means the sector which is providing the services. All right, students. So these three sectors we are going to discuss. What are the drawbacks and what are these three sector consisting of? All right, students. Study something about Maharashtra and answer the quiz, the MCQs of Maharashtra. Thank you.